Good morning, dear students and friends. Welcome back to the Prithviraj English Academy. As our social studies series going on for Karnataka State Board, it's a part number 1 of 2025 and 26 academic year syllabus it is. In this video, we are going to come to know about the 8th standard chapter number 14, meaning and importance of economics. Meaning and importance of economics will come to know here. Okay, so without a delay, let's start today's chapter, meaning and importance of economics. After studying this chapter, we will come to know about meaning of economics, importance of studying economics, to define economic activities, production and factors of production will come to know by this one. Okay, now move to the introduction to the economics. Economics is a social science that studies the economic activities and problems of individuals, businesses, society and global economy. We are going to study about what? Economic activities, problems of individuals, everyone's problem it will going to study. Problems of businesses also, and society and the global economy also, world's economy also it will going to study. It main aim is to make the world better place by understanding and solving the economic issues, okay, problems. Now come to the word economics comes from the Greek word okos means house and nomos means management. So in a ancient time, according to the Greeks, the meaning of economics is household management. What we are going to call it? Household management. After over a time, the scope of economics has expanded far beyond household matters. In ancient India also, the text likes in India also, Manusmriti, Kautilya's Arthashastra discuss the topics such as farming, taxation, financial systems. So, in the world, we are going to consider the father of the economics is Adam Smith, and he defined the economic is as the study of wealth. Study of wealth. Okay, now move to the importance of economics. Importance of economics will come to know now. Okay, so first thing very important, it helps to understand and find the solution for the poverty. It is going to help us to come to know about the poverty. At the same time, it is going to help us to about unemployment. It is going to help us about the to understand about the unemployment and their causes and their how to overcome that. Solution also will come to know by that. And economic inequality. Economic means money. Inequality means poor, rich and poor will come to know by this one and their solutions also. Second point, it solves the problems of choice when trying to satisfy unlimited wants with a limited incomes. As we know that our wants are unlimited and income is limited. In that, through that, how to satisfy our unlimited wants we will come to know because of studying of economics. Next, it guides producers on what to produce, how to produce, for whom to produce, and at what price should be produced. This thing we will going to teach by the economics. Now come to the next point. It explains reasons it explains the reasons for the price fluctuations and helps bring price stability. It is going to suggest the efficient use of limited natural resources, and at the same time it is going to suggest efficient use of the limited natural resources for the present and for the future generation, right? It will going to help us. Then next, economics is useful and relevant in a everyday life. Economics is not means we cannot be say that it was not going to relevant to the dailies. It is going to relevant to the day to day's life also. Day to day's life also. So now move to the next. As AC Pigo said, study of economics is not only the enlightenment but also profitable. To study the economics, it is not only the enlightenment purpose. It is what? It is as well as about profitable purpose also. Now move to the next. Economic activities. Human wants are unlimited. Goods or services that satisfy them have utility. Goods services in limited supply. Economic goods are not free. Economic goods are not free. Means, and to get them, people work to earn money, and those are going to lead to the economic activities. So, main goal of the economic activities is satisfy human wants. So, now come to the one by one types of the economic activities. In that first one, production activities. So, first one, producing goods or services. For example, agriculture, industries, mining, transport, communication. It is what? These are the production activities. Now come to the consumption activities. Second one, consumption activities. Using goods or services to satisfy wants. Yeah, involves buying and using the things. Is called the consumption. Third one is exchange activities. Supplying goods from producers to consumers involves marketing, transport, selling, buying. Okay, it will be there. It is the exchange activities. Last one is distribution activities. Distributes income earned from the production. Whatever the income you have earned, that will going to distribute on maybe income shared among the factors of the production, like for the land you are going to pay the rent, for the labor you are going to pay the wage, for the capital you are going to pay the interest, for the entrepreneurs we are going to pay them profit. So like that the distribution will going to took place in economic activities. That is fourth one is distribution activity. How the income, whatever the income you got, whatever the profit you will get it, no, that will going to that income will going to share on the land. We are going to share the means we are going to give for land, we are going to give the rent. Labor we are going to give the wage. Wage means wages means salary. For capital we are going to pay the rent. For entrepreneurs we are going to pay the profit. Okay, now come to the and so fair pricing and just distribution. Okay, now come to the economic versus non-economic activities. People also do the social, cultural, political, religious activities. Those are going to call it as a non-economic. Means here no money is involved. For example, free tuition classes. Then economic activities means where the money is involved. For example, paid tuition classes. It's called the paid economic activities. Okay, so I hope my dears you understood the today's chapter. If you have any doubt, any suggestion, then please comment. If you really like means it is worthful for you this video, then please share this video among your friends and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video my dears. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.